Ramadan is a month of peace, and nobody wants to involve themselves in quarrel in this month. But there are some people who already involved themselves in quarrel. It should not to lead a quarrelsome people. We should not give them company. Those who are especially quarrelsome, we always have to lead them for our peaceful life, for our peace mind, and for our safety. Quarrelsome people always try to make some chaos or make some that activities. Those are not good for human beings. Those are not good for you. Those are not good for our society, above all our country. We always have to remain cautious about those quarrelsome people. Otherwise, they will involve ourselves in quarrel that is very harmful for our peaceful life. So Ramadan teaches us to live in a peaceful mind, to lead our life in an honest way. Those who are especially dishonest in this month, they can recover themselves from dishonesty. They can regain themselves from such type of activities that is not good for them, and such type of work that is destroy their reputation day by day. So this is the month for all of human beings to refrain themselves doing bad work. So I think we are already conscious about our activities, about this great month of Ramadan. This is the month of to make ourselves sin free. So those who are already sinners, they can do prayers a lot of time. They can do prayers more than previous time. They can they can wish to Allah that for their emancipation in the next life, I mean after death life. So this is very important to refrain from any kinds of quarrel, any kinds of dishonesty in this month. Many people around us doing quarrel, doing chaos, or doing such type of activities that is not for our society appropriate. We have to make them understand this is not good. This is you have to leave this. If you are a Muslim, you need to do good work. You have to understand the thing that this is the month of Ramadan, and in this month this is totally forbidden. Nobody allows this here in our society, in our country. In this month, such type of activities that is not good for everyone. So I think you have got my